ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच तद्बुद्ध्यस्तदात्मानः तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः। This is 5th chapter, 17th sloka, one of the important sloka in this particular chapter, Karma Sannyasa Yoga. In this, Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says, Dad buddhya tadatmanaka tannishtah. One who's having Brahma Jnanam, the Brahma Swarupam, the Atma Swarupam is nothing but Brahma Swarupam. One who have that knowledge in mind and buddhi, intellect. Manaha buddhi, manas buddhi cha. One who have that supreme knowledge of Atma Jnanam and Brahma Jnanam in their mind and intellect, and one who have that knowledge permanently established in their mind and intellect and act accordingly, their knowledge, their doubts, their delusions are destroyed by that supreme knowledge. One who have that knowledge, they will go where there is no return. In the sense, there is no birth again for them. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. It's very Dad buddhaya, in intellect. Who have that knowledge, Jnanam, Atma Jnanam, Brahma Jnanam, Tadatmanaha, the Atma Swarupam is nothing but Brahma Swarupam. One who has that knowledge also. Atma is different and Paramatma is different. One should attain the thing that Atma Jnanam is Paramatma Jnanam, Paramatma Jnanam is Atma Jnanam. Tannishtah, who are established in that, permanently established, meditating, contemplating, nidityasanam we'll say. Then that parayanaha, who have that supreme yes. See, two things. One is permanent knowledge of Atma Jnanam, who have the knowledge of Atma Jnanam, Brahma Jnanam. One for whom the knowledge gives Atma Jnanam is nothing different from Brahma Jnanam, both are same. And one who thinks that once you establish that knowledge, permanently meditating and contemplating on that particular knowledge, and one who have that reaching or attaining that knowledge is their supreme goal, that knowledge will destroy their delusion, and they will after their death there won't be rebirth. They will attain moksham. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 18th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.